Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know that Uniswap is one of the top decentralized exchanges for swapping tokens. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw USDT from Uniswap in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, I'll walk you through this step by step. By the end, you'll feel confident handling your USDT withdrawals. First things first, make sure you have a compatible crypto wallet set up, like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. You'll need some ETH for gas fees, as blockchain transactions aren't free. Once you're ready, head over to the Uniswap website or app. Remember, always use the official site to avoid scams. Step 1. Connect your wallet. Open Uniswap. Click on the Connect Wallet button, and select your wallet from the options. Authorize it, and you'll be good to go. Step 2. Check your balance. In your wallet interface on Uniswap, look for your USDT holdings. If you don't have USDT yet, you might need to swap another token for it first. Go to the Swap tab, select the token you want to exchange, enter the amount, and choose USDT as the output. Step 3. Initiate the withdrawal. Once you have USDT in your wallet, you don't actually withdraw from Uniswap like a traditional exchange. It's all in your wallet. But to move it out, simply use the Transfer function in your wallet. Select USDT, enter the recipient address, which could be another wallet or an exchange, and confirm the transaction. Step 4. Confirm and wait. Double-check everything for accuracy, then hit send. You'll see a confirmation on the blockchain. Expect it to take a minute or two, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on gas fees to avoid surprises. A quick tip. Always use hardware wallets for larger amounts to stay secure, and never share your private keys. With crypto evolving fast, double-check Uniswap's interface in 2025 for any updates. There you have it. Simple, right? If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.